Goedemorgen iedereen. This is Chef Exile, starting with day 9 of the Pinhoti Trail. In about 3.5-ish miles, I'll be hitting the 100-mile marker, along with some cool waterfalls at 101. Hopefully they'll have some water flow to them so we can get some good pictures. But today's goal is around 16 to 18 miles, so that way tomorrow I'll have about 14-ish miles to get to my shuttle spot. And we'll see how that goes. We'll see if that pans out. Today is going to be more of the Talladega lowlands, so lots of water, beautiful marsh kind of setting. I'm gonna pass a couple of lakes today, I think 2. Thanks for joining me on this hike. Lot of Vahan. Well, here I am, mile 100. This is an awesome point for me in the trail. So, triple digits. It's exciting, and I got to see a cool waterfall, and hopefully I'll get to see some more here up ahead. But it just feels really good. Mile 100 of the Pinhoti Trail. Here's to 250 more. Lot of Vahan.
This is it. This is what? If I take one more step, it'll be the farthest away from home I've ever been.
I go
Goedendag iedereen. This is Chef Exile at the end of day 8. I think. I really need to figure that out today. Really good day. Ended with 16.5-ish miles. I believe we're at the 113 mile marker on the trail. And kind of an interesting spot, kind of on the side of a road that I found, because everything before this road was just ridge walking. And then everything after this will be kind of on the side of a mountain for several miles. So I feel like today, 16.5 miles, really nice spot. I think calling it good is fine. Hitting the 100 mile marker was really cool. And even though they were kind of dry, the waterfalls still were really cool and a really nice treat. And tomorrow is my last day before my Heflin resupply. I'm going to rest my feet. I'm going to eat some supper and call it a night. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody. This is Chef Exile. Goedenacht.